about on my vlog. Yeah. Ooh, let me show me people them over a new highway. Guys, see new highway here. Let me show me people them the new highway from Ironshore side. Going all the way back to Salt Spring, Green Pan, go all the way back to Waterborg. Yeah guys. This is it. See them people. See it there. Ooh. Wait. Let's zoom it, look at it. Yeah guys. Okay, so highway the behind this a big apartment right here so. The man now you have to name the mansion. Yeah. Guess house. Big house. Eh? Yeah. Oh, so behind the mansion there. Okay. Oh. Oh. Yes.